My name is Patrick Cote. I'm the manager of the cybersecurity at Victrix, which included the SOC. We're driving a managed SOC for around 100 customers in Canada, which include at least 450,000 endpoints under our management. We help them to have a great security posture and help them improve it. So what we did, we invest in the SOAR to be able to lower our analyst rate per customer and then onboard all those customers. So that was a success at first, but at the end of the year, we just realized that we need to hire some analysts again because we didn't reach the automation that we were expecting. The expectation was to be able, after 6 months, to have on board all the new customer and the other 6 months to onboard the previous customer. But I have to say that it was a fail because we have a lot of problems, a lot of bug in the map. So when we were looking for another solution to replace the actual one, AI was really the main focus. Integrated AI in the solution was the main focus that we were searching. For our evaluation process, we were searching for a strong partner, and Swimlane was our first choice a year ago, but they weren't having a tenant in Canada. That's why we go to another one, and we were really searching, like I said previously, a strong team that is able to help us build, to understand our needs, to understand who we are, to understand who is an MSSP. So when Swimlane contacted me about 6 months ago to say, hey Patrick, if you still want to go with Swimlane with a tenant in Canada, we can do it for you. We're going to build it for you. And that was just the idea that stand in my head. And I have to convince all the Victrix, the main management, that we have to do that move. And the decision is a game changer for us. Swimlane is there to help us. You will not believe me, but we did in 3 weeks with Swimlane exactly the same that we did in 1 year with the previous one. So even my boss don't believe me when I say that. We did it, and when I say we, it's Swimlane who did it. We were not on a regular time frame because we squeezed the deployment in a really short time frame. Swimlane and us have to have the agility to do it because it was really a short delay. When we signed the contract, it takes a month, and after that month, everything was migrated from the old SOAR to the new one. The integrations, if we compare the previous one to Swimlane, the previous one was each product by product that we need to integrate. Swimlane is different because everything is built in the solution, and so it's really easy. The combination between Swimlane built-in connector and our enterprise apps is really perfect. With Swimlane, what we're using right now for the AI is that we use AI to build playbook in natural language. We just explain what we want for the playbook, and the AI help us build everything. So the AI is doing all the investigation and correlation, and the analyst just have to take the decision if it's okay or not. So far, everywhere where we embedded the AI in a playbook, the success rate is an 100% success. Swimlane is really a game changer for us. But what surprised me the most is the speed that we integrate the solution in our environment. It was really, really fast. Again, the product is really great, but the team, wow, I love that team. And I want to be the best Canadian ambassador as possible.